Hello, my name is Cristian Ramirez, and I'm going to explain about NFTs. Also, sorry about the inconvenience. I'm currently on the phone. I don't have a laptop or computer to present this with face cam on Zoom. Anyways, I'm going to continue with the presentation. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible means that something cannot be exchanged for another item because it's unique. For instance, one piece of art is not equal to another. Both have unique properties. And on the left side is stuff, example of intangible stuff, and on the right is tangible stuff, physical stuff that you could actually pick up and see. The difference is intangible, it's all digital and it's all logged on the blockchain. You may ask, what's a blockchain? Well, blockchain is pretty much a cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and on all those, NFTs are able to be traded as a contract, pretty much as a certificate of ownership, like a pink slip for a car. An NFT is a token that was created with a digital asset. It sits on the regular blockchain. You may ask, no one is seeding? Then pretty much it cannot download. This is how the blockchain operates today. Tokens that live on the blockchain and represent ownerships of unique items. You may ask, why is that useful? Well, tracking who owns a digital file is tricky because it can be copied and effortlessly. So pretty much, like how I said earlier, it's a certificate and it proves your ownership. Like, you're for sure the owner. So there's no way you could lie about it. Obviously, you could screenshot it, but if you want that status, there you go. You have that pink slip of the certificate. Well, you may ask, how does it work? Well, imagine that you made a piece of digital art, essentially a JPEG, on your computer. Then the NFT that represents your art contains a bit of information about it. Unique fingerprint of the file, a token name, and a symbol. For example, the metadata and the properties of the art or whatever you're selling, the ticket. It's unique and it will be logged onto the blockchain with that specific information, so it cannot be copied even if it looks exactly the same. Transactions. Now you can sell that by creating a transaction on the blockchain. The blockchain makes sure that this information can never be tampered with. It also allows you to track who's the correct owner of a token and for how much it has been sold in the past. While the token owner owns the original artwork, the creator of the NFT retains the copyright and the reproduction rights. So an artist can sell his original artwork as an NFT, but he can still sell prints. For example, if the artist has a whole collection or it's just one piece and it sells over time repeatedly, well, that artist is going to earn royalties, and depending on how much the royalties are, the artist could earn 10% over time, and pretty much it could be as passive income. And here are examples of what an NFT could be, in-game items. For example, Fortnite, cosmetics and all that, you could buy it. And obviously, it has to be on a blockchain, so it could be considered as an NFT. Also, concert tickets. It could be, your NFT could be literally a ticket to a concert. And you could trade domain names as NFTs, and real estate. Obviously, it hasn't been touched into real estate yet, but it could proceed into real estate because of the fact that you could prove ownership with it. And here is the bibliography. And to conclude everything, NFTs can be anything that is intangible, and in rare cases it could be tangible. We're still NFTs are still early for that. Anyways, it is a certificate of ownership on the blockchains. NFTs can be art, games, tickets, etc. And the background picture is a NFT collection called Goblin Town that has been traded for over $10,000s. Thank you for listening to my presentation.